Introducing the Airstream Cordless Broom by Cyclovac. It's a new broom on the market and people love it. First thing you'll notice about the Airstream compared to other brooms on the market is it stands up on its own. There's no need to mount this to your wall in your home and drill holes. It stands by itself, which lets you take it to anywhere in the house you want and leave it. When you're ready to clean, it's where you place it. It's not going to fall over and it's ready to go for convenient cleaning. Another nice feature on this broom compared to a lot of the other brooms on the market is we have a replaceable, removable battery. The consumer doesn't need any tools to take this off. You simply squeeze the blue tabs, remove the battery. A nice feature to have on any broom. Additionally, you can buy multiple batteries if you have a larger home instead of having to buy multiple brooms. So you get multiple batteries, they clean up to a half hour each, and you're ready to go by snapping the new battery in. Additionally, to charge the battery, you simply take the transformer cord and plug it in. You can charge it on the machine, or you can take this and have one battery charging and one battery on the machine ready to clean. Nice feature. The exhaust air on this is very clean. We have an exhaust HEPA filter, which is washable simply by taking it off and rinsing it in the sink under warm water and a little bit of detergent. Let it dry, reposition the filter on the holder, insert it in the machine, and you're ready to vacuum again with very clean air. Cleanup for the consumer is a breeze with the Airstream. To empty the debris, simply open up the quick dump hatch and all the dirt falls out into a container. If you want to thoroughly clean it by yourself, simply remove the dirt bin with a twist. This is washable with warm water. You can put it in the dishwasher. It's Dishwasher Safe. Additionally, the intake filter is just a plastic mesh screen. This you can wash under the sink with warm water and dishwasher soap also, or you can throw into the Dishwasher Safe. And then the internal workings, there's not much to it. You can wipe off the interior with a damp cloth. No need to bring it to a service station. There's no hidden Vortex components like on other manufacturers' brooms where dirt can sit, fester, and clog. Simply snap everything back together after you're finished cleaning and washing, and you're ready to go again. Maintenance on the Airstream is a breeze. To vacuum, you simply squeeze the trigger and you're ready to clean. This turns the unit on and off. Now when cleaning a larger area, some people complain that it's very fatiguing to hold a trigger like that, a small trigger, for a long period to clean. So we've designed a trigger lock onto our broom. This allows you to clean a larger area without having to hold on the trigger and get fatigued. It'll run for 30 minutes without having to hold the trigger. Nice feature. When you want to clean hard floor and carpeting, you have your settings right here. Low speed runs for 30 minutes, high speed starts the brush roll going, the headlights turn on, and you're ready to go. The two speeds will clean equally well on hard floor and carpeting. Depending on how much debris you have and how much runtime you want, you can make the setting choice yourself. Just simply squeeze the trigger or lock the trigger in place and vacuum. It goes easily from hard floor to carpeting, and you'll notice that the head swivels very nicely, and it picks up pet hair and debris from a few inches out. It's got a lot of airflow, so this is a great cleaner. When you need to maintain this broom, very easy. Again, it's a wonderful little broom for maintenance for the consumer. Most other brooms, you'll notice that hair winds around the spinning brush roll. It's very difficult to get to and clean. With the Airstream, you simply unsnap the brush roll and pull it out. It removes easily, so you can remove hair and other debris that gets twisted around the bristles. Cut it off, clean it, reinsert it, and you are ready to clean again. That simple. If you need to clean above the floor, the power unit detaches from the extension wand, and you have full-size tools that come with the Airstream. You have a full-size crevice tool that has additionally mounted right on it a dusting brush. So if you can use a crevice tool, if you need to use a little dusting brush, you simply slide the dusting brush forward, locks in place, and now I can do a little bit of light dusting. If you need to use an upholstery cleaner, it comes with a 4-inch brush, upholstery cleaner, and like the crevice tool, it has a dual purpose. You can use it with the brushes, or you can simply snap the brush off and use it without the brush, depending on the material that you want to clean. These tools also fit on the end of the extension wand, so now I can clean up high curtain rods, tops of curtains, ceiling fans, and other areas that are out of reach. Simply remount the power unit on the handle, and you are ready to clean floors again, or just put your broom away by standing in the corner until you need it the next time. The broom comes with a 2-year warranty on everything. The battery has a manufacturer's warranty guarantee on it. That is the Airstream. It's available now at your local vacuum retailer. Stop in today and get a demonstration. You're gonna love this broom. Priced at under $250, it's half the cost of the more expensive brooms that have fewer features.